Hey everyone, this is Finn. Today we have 4 tutorials for you. Number 1 is installing Unity Hub / Unity 2019.4.1. That's the version that we are going to be using in this class. But if you have another recent version, that's okay too. It should be fairly similar. 2, setting up a good layout in Unity's interface. 3, installing Visual Studio Community 2017. And 4, game objects, colliders, and rigid bodies. We're going to need you to install Unity Hub and Unity version 2019.4.1, and then we are going to need you to install Visual Studio Community 2017. Then I'm going to want you to try playing around in Unity with 3D objects, colliders, and rigid bodies. And how to do that is going to be covered in video tutorial number 4, game objects, colliders, and rigid bodies. The steps for that are: start a new Unity project, set up the layout of your workspace using the first part of the video tutorial number 2 if you haven't already, add 3D objects to your scene, and add a rigid body component to an object and experiment with its settings in the inspector. After you watch all of the tutorials, you should know how to do all of that. Feel free to email us if you have any questions. Have a good day!